Hello, Kettleland. I'm meteorologist Brian Karstens. Well, this is a morning update here for Saturday and what's going on with the weather. And you can see how things are coming together this morning. In terms of snow, freezing, rain, and rain. We've had quite a push of snow in northern South Dakota overnight. Now we're watching that conveyor belt. We talked about that during the week. There it is coming up through Iowa, streaming into Sioux Falls. And the rain and the freezing rain has been heavy at times coming in from the south. Now, it's actually gotten to the point where, and this is a road report as of about 8 this morning. So again, continue to check back with us. Safe Travel USA. You can see links here on our webpage at kettleland.com, but no travel advisories around Mitchell, Parkston, Chamberlain. It is icy. It is very slick. I can verify Sioux Falls is slick too. Some of these parking lots are awful. So please just watch your step. If you don't have to be out, in some cases, yeah, stay home. I know many of you will be out today. A lot of activities going on. So exercise caution. That's the best advice we can give you. Let's look at radar. What's happening here? Again, just before 8 this morning, you can see a plume of moisture. Sioux Falls right in the thick of that freezing rain and rain combo. Heavy snow up toward Watertown, I-29 north, and that will continue to be reflected in the advisories and warning statements. This is the layout here this morning. Winter weather advisories mainly south of Interstate 90. Winter storm warnings generally north of Interstate 90. There are some exceptions to that, but that's kind of generally how it kind of lays out here. Let's look at future scans. So what we think will happen is the Sioux Falls area will eventually be converting here to snow as we trend toward midday, and heavy snow at times. I think right now wind-wise out of the east, and then see how the wind starts picking up from rapid to winter. You lose the snow. I don't expect rapid really to have a whole lot more, but a few spots here and there. But your wind in Sioux Falls will really crank up this evening. The good news is a lot of the snow will be gone by 9 o'clock this evening, at least in the southeast. Watertown kind of hangs on a little longer with that. And yes, there will be drifting snow. I think drifting snow as opposed to blowing snow. Now, a couple of other items I wanted to go back through here on this. I'm going to start this over again. See all the pink here? The freezing rain has been an issue. And I know that that is coating some of these power lines and trees. So we'll continue to kind of monitor that. Our friends here in Southwest Minnesota, especially, that's been lingering a little longer. So I just wanted to get that out there too, that wording is incorporated into this advisory and the winter storm warning. You've got your icing involved there. Total snowfall. Let's take a look at these numbers. Sioux Falls, when I looked at the data this morning, we're probably still in this 3 to 7. Again, the longer we hold on to the rain, we're going to be closer to 3. But you know what? You can easily get 6 or 7. You just go north of Sioux Falls. That's really going to pick up here. Brookings, Marshall, Watertown. This sector right up here is probably your worst weather. Aberdeen, a little less, closer to 4. Probably Huron, Mitchell in that 4-inch range seems like a good number. Again, your deeper moisture is going to be a little bit to your east, and then kind of the leftovers blowing around out here in western South Dakota. We've got a big storm next week, folks. This thing, I can't talk a lot about it today. This is still the compilation between what happens today and tomorrow plus next week. And that's going to be an entirely different animal here. We'll have to spend time talking about that once we get through this one, okay? So that's the bottom line. That's your update this morning. Check us out. We've got updates at kettleland.com coming up throughout the day. Grant will be here, and I know the others here too. Scott and Jay will be piping in at times here throughout the storm. So stay with us, and thanks for watching.